Yeah.
A bowl on top of the boiling water. The bowl mustn't touch with the water at the bottom. I'm going to add 1 ton cream and let's just heat this up. This is a very easy way to make chocolate ganache with just 2 simple ingredients. Just stir this on top of the water. To add in 2 slabs of dairy milk chocolate. You guys can use any milk chocolate or dark chocolate. The cream is completely hot. Now I'm going to add the chocolate. Adding in the pieces so it easily melts down. Now I will just mix this together till the chocolate completely melts. This might take a while, so just be patient. Now after mixing about for 5 minutes, you can see the ganache is perfectly ready. It looks so delicious. You can add this on top of cakes or you can refrigerate it and on top of your cupcakes. It's just so easy to make with 2 simple ingredients. Your color may be different according to the chocolate you added. I added in dairy milk as it tastes the best. You can see it's so easy and simple to make and makes any recipe look so delicious just with the topping of the ganache.